I never anticipated how well okra and eggs could complement each other. My family enjoys this meal at least 7 times weekly. Today I purchased okra and 4 eggs from the market. I'm eager to share this recipe with you. It's both nourishing and flavorful when prepared at home. Right now, okra season is in full swing. It's readily available everywhere. Remarkably fresh and tender. The sweet flavor and crisp texture are truly remarkable. Okra is nutrient-dense and high in pectin, making it versatile for preparation. It can be cooked through various methods, including grilling, frying, blanching, steaming, or blending into dishes, all of which yield delicious results. Begin by preparing the okra. The surface features numerous fine hairs capable of trapping dust and impurities, so submerge the okra in a basin or large bowl. Fill the container with water until the okra is completely submerged. Next, incorporate a small amount of salt and a few drops of vinegar. Mix thoroughly to ensure the salt and vinegar are fully dissolved. The saline solution effectively eliminates surface contaminants, including dirt, impurities, and certain bacteria. The vinegar's acidity targets specific bacteria and mold, enhancing the cleaning efficacy. Combined, these ingredients form an optimal cleaning mixture for okra. Allow the okra to soak for 10 minutes following the initial soaking step. Thoroughly rinse the okra under running water. Gently rub the produce with your hands to eliminate impurities. This action effectively removes fine hairs and leftover dirt. Avoid excessive scrubbing to prevent harm to the okra. Apply gentle pressure to maintain the integrity of the vegetable. Subsequently, replace the water and rinse thoroughly until the runoff is clear. Could you share your location? Kindly provide a comment to inform me. At this point, we can savor our okra without hesitation. Once rinsed, transfer them to a basket for full drainage. Proceed by preparing the ingredients for chopping. Cut the red bell pepper into horseshoe-shaped segments. Dice the garlic and transfer to a compact bowl. Gather a portion of garlic cloves and crush them using a blade. This simplifies the process of finely chopping them subsequently. Chop the garlic to a fine consistency. Combine the minced garlic with the red pepper in the bowl. Place a pinch of salt in a separate small bowl. A small amount of sugar. 1 teaspoon of potato starch. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. A hint of oyster sauce. Conclude by adding a small quantity of water. Stir all the ingredients thoroughly. Prep the sauce in advance to avoid being overwhelmed during stir-frying. Give it an additional stir. Continue stirring until the sauce is fully incorporated. Once combined, store it for future use. Next, ready a bigger bowl. Break the 4 prepped eggs into the bowl. Sprinkle a small amount of salt for foundational flavor. Follow with a dash of white vinegar. This step effectively eliminates the strong odor, particularly when cooking alongside other ingredients. It also results in a creamier consistency. Proceed by vigorously whisking the eggs using chopsticks. Ensure the mixing process is thorough and extended. Continue stirring until the egg components are fully integrated. The mixture should be smooth, with no visible clumps when lifted. Achieve a smooth texture. Gather a pot or pan. Add water to the pot. Increase the heat to reach a rolling boil. Once the water is boiling, introduce the cleaned okra. When incorporating the okra, ensure it is blanched. Stir continuously to ensure even heating. This process minimizes the bitterness within. Avoid over-blanching the okra. Prolonged blanching may diminish its nutritional content. Blanch for 60 seconds. Submerge the okra in boiling water until it achieves a turquoise green hue and softens. Proceed in this manner. Transfer the okra using a strainer ladle. Rapidly submerge it in a bowl of cold water to avoid browning. This action preserves its crispness and freshness. Maintain its texture and freshness by keeping it submerged. After it has fully cooled, take it out and let it drain. Where are you watching this video from? Please comment below and let me know. It's so great to know that we have viewers all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. It means a lot to see your support. Slice the okra into horseshoe shapes, approximately 0.5 centimeters in thickness. When preparing okra as I do, its vibrant jade green hue retains fully without nutrient loss, particularly preserving the nutrient-dense slime within. This gelatinous substance contains essential nutrients, so avoid trimming the ends or slicing the okra prior to blanching. Such preparation ensures nutrient retention after the slicing process. Transfer the okra to a bigger bowl. Then pour the egg mixture over the okra. Begin by employing chopsticks to thoroughly combine the ingredients. Ensure that each piece of okra is fully enveloped in the egg mixture. Once mixed, set the ingredients aside. After the components are prepared, initiate the cooking process. Preheat the pan and introduce a small amount of oil. Warm the oil until it reaches the smoking point. Next, incorporate the okra and egg mixture. Utilize chopsticks to distribute the mixture uniformly. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cook until the underside is fully cooked. This ensures the mixture doesn't become overcooked. It requires approximately 2 minutes to fully cook the bottom while frying. Lightly agitate the pan to ensure even heat distribution. Proceed until the egg surface begins to firm up. Flip it at this point. Continue cooking at a low to medium heat. Ensure both sides achieve a golden brown color for optimal flavor. Employ a spatula to apply gentle pressure. This light pressure ensures even cooking. For those who enjoy the okra and egg fully cooked, extend the frying time slightly, achieving a crisp exterior while preserving a tender, aromatic interior. It's reassuring to know our paths cross globally. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button to join. Your support is truly appreciated. After preparation, use a spatula to divide it into smaller portions. This enhances the eating experience. Following this method, avoid prolonged cooking to prevent overcooking. Okra is prone to drying out and losing moisture, compromising its tenderness. Move it to a bowl and leave it aside. The fragrance is absolutely delightful. There's no requirement to re-grease the pan or use additional oil. Incorporate garlic cloves and red chilies into the pan. Maintain the heat level at a medium-low setting while continuously stirring. Cook for approximately 15 seconds. Next, reintroduce the okra and egg pieces into the pan. Proceed to stir-fry over high heat. Once thoroughly combined, add the sauce blend. Blend all components swiftly. The savory stir-fried egg and okra dish is complete. The fragrance is captivating. Its appearance is highly enticing. Serve on a plate and savor the meal. A simple combination of okra and eggs. The aroma is undeniably enticing. Crucially, the dish retains all its nutritional value. It remains a flavorful option. This method is the optimal way to prepare okra. If you appreciate it, adopt my technique and test it at a restaurant. A single serving at a restaurant is $38, while homemade versions cost under $8. Cost-effective and affordable. Each okra segment is enveloped in a soft egg coating during consumption. The egg remains tender. The okra offers a crisp, sweet texture, complemented by a robust, savory sauce that unifies the dish. This dish excels in nutritional value, flavor, and mouthfeel. If you enjoy it, you'll likely prepare it frequently for your family, as I do. That's it for this video. If you have any comments or thoughts, please leave them below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like. And remember to share this video with your friends and family. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.